Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand that's by a brand called UHURU. And pretty much what it is, you guys can see right here, is a professional USB condenser for podcasting. Basically, you guys can use this for any kind of like recording audio, interviews, and YouTube, and etc. So first thing first, let me actually do the unboxing to show you what comes out the package first before we do the test and everything else. So when you guys open the package, this is what it looks like. So first thing you guys kind of get inside is kind of like an instruction guide on how to set up the product and whatnot. You guys can see right here, like a user manual. They provide you this pop filter and the other wind muffler right here to put on the microphone. On the bottom, you guys can see this is all the accessories that they provide you right here. So they provide you like the shock mount, the mount for the table mount, the microphone, the cable, and then the stand itself for to actually set it all up and everything. So this is the setup for the actual microphone. You guys want to use this to extend the range to a certain point. If you guys are doing like an interview or some kind of radio station podcast or something, you guys can use this option. Table mount is pretty strong as well, so you guys can just attach this onto the product right here, and then it'll actually mount it on the table like this. So all you have to do is kind of like loosen this part up and then tighten this part onto the table right here. They have actually provide you a shock mount, so you guys can actually apply this onto the microphone to hold it in place. So here we have the microphone right here. They have the little logo right there. All you have to do is kind of plug in the cable that they provide you, which is right here. So plug that cable into right here and you guys can start using it. But the shock mount, how you guys use the shock mount is kind of use these two parts right here to kind of open it up and to just slip this part in really easily, and you guys can just set up like that, and you guys can use the stand itself and then just apply it on and use it. So basically this is the whole setup you guys can see. So let's say if you guys want to do an interview like that, just set it up like that, do podcasts, whatever case may be that you just want to use it for, that's all you have to do. And then this part for the table mount is where you guys will attach it onto this part right here. So it looks something like this, and then just screw it on the table like that. So that's pretty much everything that comes inside the package. Now let's actually go test it out and then see how it performs and everything, and then come back and talk about the product. Alright, so here we have the microphone right now. The audio that you guys are listening to right now is from the actual microphone from here. So basically this is what it sounds like from this far away. If I were to move it closer, this is what it'll sound like. So the closer it gets to your mouth, the louder it's gonna be. So when you guys use the product, you guys want to make sure it's not like set like this. It should be like set up like this way. So that way the audio sounds better and everything, because the audio is going through here, not from here. And the cool thing about it is that this is only a cool option if you guys want to use it. But if you guys don't want to use the option, just simply remove it like this. And then just use the audio straight out like this if you guys want to as well. So you guys have the option to use it with or without the cover. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the test of the product, you guys can see and hear that actually sounds pretty good. I think this one actually sounds better than the other microphone that I've tested that's similar to this by MAONO. And reason why I say that is because when I listen to the audio that's being performed using this microphone versus the other microphone, the audio actually sounds much better, much clearer, and actually much louder than the other one. But now that we did the unboxing and testing and feedback about this product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So this product in particular costs around like $55, and for that price range, would I say that's actually worth it or not? For me, honestly, I have to say that this product is actually really worth it if you guys actually need it for like any kind of like situation, recording audio, like interviews, YouTube, recording videos, streaming, whatever the case may be, that you just want to use this for any kind of like audio recording. This would definitely be really useful if you guys actually need one of these, especially the fact that I mentioned earlier, like how the audio actually sounds a lot better on this one versus the other one, and the design of the product actually looks different as well. This one in particular actually looks like it's built out of better material than the other one as well. But if you guys don't need this or want one of these, then obviously don't buy it and save your money for something else they actually do need. But other than that, that's about it for the little unboxing, testing, and feedback of this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And then if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have